Hey fellow Mads lovers, so as some of you guys know, that I ordered from Vacation Club, and if you guys don't know, Vacation Club is James's brand that he has with Caitlin, his girlfriend. And so today I'm going to be showing you what I got from Vacation Club. And also, please subscribe and turn on post notifications, that way you will be notified every time I upload a new YouTube video. So without further ado, let's get on to it. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. It has a hibiscus and has VC on it for Vacation Club. So now I'm going to open it. I'm so excited. Just tear it open like that. Ooh, there's other things in here. Okay, so there's a packing slip that I have to put in there. There is like a thank you on it. It says welcome to the club, and then all their social media is on it. Or just their Instagram. And then, oh my gosh, this is a bandana. It just says Vacation Club. And I got the royal, the navy blue. I'm keeping this. So yeah, so I'm actually going to show you guys what it looks like. There's actually a picture of what it looks like at the back of it, but it's hard to see it. But this, yeah, this is the inside of it. That's it. For a small thing like this, man, I'm keeping this. I don't know if I already said that, but I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, this feels so comfortable. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Now I'm matched with Posey, which is James's foster dog. So I'm going to be posting pictures of this on Instagram, so please be sure to keep an eye out for that. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And please be sure, if you haven't done so yet, please be sure to order from Vacation Club. And it's vacationclub.shop, and follow them on Instagram at vacationclub.clothing, and follow James and Caitlin on Instagram at James Maslow and at Caitlin Shakespeare's, and follow James on Twitter at James Maslow. So yeah, love you guys so much, and hope all you Mads lovers and rushers have an amazing day. Love you guys.
Take a shot in the dark to be where you are. I don't wanna watch the world keep changing. Let them know it's you, my heart keeps